Mwena wa Konza kaunti ya Machakos ni kwa mwaka uyu wihandite kionereria kia mubango mweru wa githomo guku Kenya maria mariheanagwo ni cukuru wa Open University of Kenya. President William Ruto niwe uhurite mihango ya cukuru uyu cabi kuria aneanite mathaga ma bata kuri utongoria wa cukuru uyu hamwe namo marua ma gutungata muhuri na logo ya cukuru.
The objective was to increase access while reducing the cost of university education in order to finally deliver 100% transition to higher education, whether it is transition to our TVETs, whether it's transition to our VCTs, whether it is our transition to our universities. That transition must happen so that we can continuously sharpen our human capital and use it to drive the prosperity of our country.
University ino ĩrĩheanaga mathomo kũgerera mĩtambo ya ũkinyanĩria, ũndũ ũrĩa President William Ruto ugĩte ũgũteithĩrĩria kũrehe ũigananu mĩaka-inĩ ya gĩthomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Those who do not wish or cannot afford to abandon their other interests in order to pursue university education can now enroll on more convenient terms. This is, in my very honest opinion, the university possibly of herdsmen, farmers. Mama Mboga in his place can also attend now university. Matatu drivers, border people, when you are waiting for your passengers, you can attend courses at the university. Watchmen, domestic employees, as well as trained professionals and graduates. Nothing says bottom up better than an Open University of Kenya that gives everybody a chance.
Rĩciria rĩa kwambĩrĩria mũthemba ũyũ wa university rĩathugundirwo mwaka wa 2005 na gũkinyanĩra kwa mũbango ũyũ nĩ ikinya inene harĩ gũkinyanĩria gĩthomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
The university is our opportunity to provide quality, affordable education equitably and inclusively, while also taking deliberate care to develop a critical mass of digital and technological skills that will endow enterprises in all sectors with a suitable capacity to be innovative and also to be competitive.
The university will provide an opportunity for our people and others across the world to nurture and develop their full academic and research potential.
Kothi ithathatũ cia degree nĩ cireheanagwo cukuru-inĩ ũyũ mathomo-inĩ ma hamwe na mangĩ science, ũkinyanĩria gĩthomo na ũrĩmi.
I have been assured that in coming years masters and doctorate programs will be introduced, making lifelong learning not only possible but also accessible and affordable. The adoption of best practice, technologies and teaching tools at the Open University of Kenya will guarantee effective curriculum implementation, quality education and training, and also set the pace for higher education in Kenya to transform teaching and also transform learning.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa bengi ya Equity Dagĩtarĩ James Mwangi niwe wamũrĩtwo ta chancellor wa university ĩno ĩrĩa ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo kwamũkĩra arutwo ayo a mbere kwambĩrĩria mweri twerekeire wa kenda.
Kenya will be leapfrogging this education delivery by optimizing on technology to support open learning. I assure you and the people of Kenya of my dedication to serve my country in this role and leverage the learnings from my expansive equity education program to scale our country's education and footprint and impact.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.